Port Control Batangas, Port Control Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. How do you read me? Over.
Precision, this is Port Control Batangas. I read your excellent, loud and clear. Change to channel 1-2, over.
Port Control Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision on channel 1-2, requesting permission to enter the port. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Kindly provide the following details of clearance. Ship name, call sign, ETA, draft, number of person on board, gross tonnage, type of cargo, cargo on board, and any dangerous cargo. Over.
Port Control Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Ship name, Motor Vessel Precision. Call sign, 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. ETA, 0800 30 October 2023. Draft 1.2.3 meters. Number of persons on board 3-4. Gross tonnage 23.210 metric tons. Type of cargo iron ore. Cargo on board 12.304 metric tons. Dangerous cargo on board? Yes, 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3. Requesting for further instructions. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. Copy all. Your arrival is acknowledged. Process to Anchor Area Alpha and standby of 4 pilot. Boarding instruction. Maintain listening watch on channel 1-2. Report when within 2 nautical mile for breakwater. Over.
Roger. Proceeding to Anchorage Area Alpha and will report at 2 nautical miles from breakwater. Standing by on channel 1-2. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision Batangas BTS out.